Let's now run a prospect audit. A prospect audit is great if you want to check on a competitor or if you want to see information about your business without having firsthand access to Google Analytics, Google Search Console, or Google Business Data. The prospect audit will identify expected traffic, backlink information, and so much more that will make it easier for you as a marketer to sell to this prospect, as an agency, to fix issues with your client, or to check if your contractors/employees are actually doing their jobs. As a business owner, you can also use a prospect audit to look at your competitors and also to see how your profile looks as well. You also get some AI and LLM sentiment information out of the prospect audit for businesses as well. So going to the prospect audit page, you simply need to type in the name of the business and then you just need to put in the URL. So in this case, I will put in the URL and then I will click Start Website Audit. As this is running, it will go to the audit history page and show the status of the audit as it's running. Once the audit completes, it will give you the complete information of the audit that you just ran that you can look at in your dashboard. For this particular profile, we can see overall site health, estimated organic traffic monthly, organic keywords ranking in the top 100, backlinks, domain ranking, AI mentions, AI referring domains, social networks that are linked off of the profile, and even the tagging. As you go through the audit, all of the sections on the left-hand side will take you directly to these areas if you want to go to a certain section to see certain information. When the audit is run, there will be a performance overview that gives each of these different sections a grade for you so you can understand how you're doing in the individual sections. You will see a screenshot as well as SEO checks at the top showing how you are doing overall for your profile. Some of the key things to point out in here are going to be the critical issue summary and the strategic remediation plan here at the top of the audit. If you click on these, you can actually see what some of the higher priority issues are. If you want to make a website perform better, a lot of these are going to be speed-oriented and also technical SEO-oriented. Pretty much any SEO at any company or anyone who's been doing SEO ever in their life would agree with these types of things. All of these things are based on security. They're based on increasing your speed, and they're based on making your website convert and work better. As a business owner, you can get a look at the audit and you can see what things need to be fixed even if you're not super fluent in the technology. You're also given a strategic remediation plan. So this will break down all of the things that really could be updated to make your website perform better. Even if you're spending money on paid search or advertising or billboards or anything else, all this plays in together. So all of these improvements you make will help you across the board with your website and its performance. You could give these to your agency. You could give these to your in-person marketing team, any of that to fix these items. You could give it to your agency. You could ask your agency why these things look so bad. There's a lot of different things that you can do with this data. There's also an option down here for Fix It For Me. So if you don't have the manpower in-house and you do want a partner agency skilled in doing this type of stuff, you can also fill out a form. If you have a profile and request a call and a cost to fix any of the stuff that's on here that you have issues with a partner agency. So in here, you're going to see screenshots, you're going to see information about the domain, you're going to see crawl health. Are there 404 errors? Are there redirect issues? You're also going to see all of your tags and tracking. If you have any type of size company and you're not getting AJ Analytics or Analytics is not installed, that's kind of a big problem and something you'd want to address right away. In here, as you go through the report, you're going to see information about page speed. You're going to see information about a number of different items. They're going to help you to make your website work better for you. There's keyword rankings, there's backlink data, everything you would ever need, all in one tool to help you rank higher and be more productive with how your website serves users. You'll also find accessibility, security, and everything. As you go down the audit, at the bottom, you'll also find AI brand visibility, including mentions and referring domains to your brand.